Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how you can allow your attendees to dial in your event. In order to do that, as an organizer, you can check what is the dial-in number of each part of your event. For example, if you want to allow your attendees to dial in on the main stage, you can open the main stage tab, and here on the settings menu, you can click dial-in numbers. This will retrieve your conference ID and the different dial-in numbers that you need to share with your attendees. So you have different dial-in numbers depending on the countries that you can have a look. By default, it will select the first one as the closest to your location, but you can select any other number that is available. Some of them are also toll-free. So I suggest you that you have a look here and find the correct numbers to share with your attendees, and in case of need, feel free to share it. So this is for the main stage, but you can also do that for the rooms. So for any room that it's there, you can click there, and here at the bottom you have also dial-in numbers, which has exactly the same view, but it has a different conference number. So each place inside your event has a different conference ID. Your participants will need to dial in this number, and when asked, they will need to enter the number that it's here, followed by the pounds. This will allow them to enter via the phone, and they will be joined anywhere they'll be in the world. I hope this will give you even more crowd to your event, and that your attendees, whenever they are, can reach your event. Feel free to use it, and if you have any questions, as always, talk with us and share your feedback.